Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I am so excited for today's video. Alright, so as you can see by the title of this video, I am unboxing a brand new leather color from Jade, and I am so excited. This is a true unboxing. I literally just kind of opened up the tape on the box here, but I have not seen it in person. I've only seen pictures of it, and I'm crazy excited because not only is it a brand new leather color, it's a brand new Old English leather color. I love the Old English leather. It's so pretty. It kind of gives that worn out look over time. The colors may change a little bit and kind of show all those little imperfections. It's literally the prettiest leather I have ever seen. So today I'm unboxing with my friends Kate here on YouTube and Meghan. I will have both of their links down in the description box so you can head to their channels. But we are opening an indigo color of Old English leather, and I am so here for it. So let's go ahead and get into the box. So like I said, all I did was literally just open up the top of the box so I wouldn't have to mess around with that as I was chatting with you guys. Right here on top is just a packing slip. And then, oh goodness, I have actually not seen the insert in this color. It's the natural color, right? Or khaki, it's natural. It's this color. I assume this is going to be the lining of the bag, and I'm really excited about that. I have a whole packing video on how I actually used this 3.0 insert inside the Jennifer bag. I'll link it below for those of you that want to see this one all packed up. I'll kind of open it up and go through it just briefly. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it because I really want to see the bag. But this is it. The new 3.0 insert is so incredibly awesome. It is designed so well. There's so many pockets. You actually have an insulated pocket on the inside. I really like this color. Like I said, I've only seen the Jade one, but I really like this one. So this is it here. It's really pretty. You have two pockets here, tons of pockets on the inside. This is kind of what makes Jade special, amongst other things, of course, but you can actually have this insert all packed for baby or all packed for kids and then be able to remove it from your bag and pass it off to a babysitter or a grandparent or an aunt or an uncle or what have you, and have all the kids stuff in here, and then you still get to carry and keep your beautiful leather bag. So this is kind of what makes it like a baby bag insert. So this is the change pad that also comes with it. And then right here on top is a set of, oh, these, okay, I know what these are now. These are the natural color packing cases, and they are so pretty. So pretty. You guys know I love my Jade packing cases. I'm pretty sure I have almost one size of these in almost every single packing video I do of any type of bag. They just pack so well. So those of you that might not be familiar, you have a large packing case, a medium packing case, and then you have the small, and they're all attached here by this wristlet strap. I tend to not hardly ever use them all together. I pick and choose however I'm packing my bag, and I just kind of grab the one that meets whatever I need to pack up, basically. The hardware on these natural cases are this like a goldish color. It's really pretty, like brushed gold. And then of course you have like the wristlet strap here. So now let's get into the bag. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this style is the Shaylee. I've done a video on the regular Old English Shaylee, which I love. I'll link it below. The Indigo Old English, to my understanding, is coming out in the Shaylee and the Meghan bag. So if you're a big fan of the Meghan or the Shaylee, you get the option of the indigo color. So I'm so excited. I'm like way too excited. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's darker than I thought. The pictures make it look a little bit lighter than this, and I am so here for it. Oh my goodness, you guys. All right, let me pull it out. Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's so pretty. Look at all of like the, oh my gosh, let me just show y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. You see all the little like imperfections that really make this Old English leather like soft and special. Like it is so pretty. The hardware on here is silver. So those of you that are silver lovers on your bags, you get silver. Oh man, let me kind of take some of the wrapping off. A full packing video on this is coming later on this week, so have a look out for that. We're all gonna pack it up for you guys. So you will get a full look. Oh my, even the straps are crazy, crazy soft. Like, oh man, it's so pretty, that tassel. You guys, come on, it's perfect. Okay, let's look at the lining. Sorry, I'm just like a little stunned by how pretty it is. So the Shaylee kind of snaps down here on the sides. Like I said, I'm gonna do a full review of the actual ins and outs of the bag. I just really wanted to show you guys the color mainly today. But you have the snaps down here on the side and two zip pocket. Oh no, these are magnetic pockets. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, look at the peak of the lining in there. Oh man, look at it. It's so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, so the top pockets are, or the front pockets are magnetic. I think my Shaylee might have, my Old English one, oh man, might have the zipper pockets. I can't remember. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna give you a good look on the inside. Here you go. Look at the leather details. I think I'm gonna try to do some still shots at the end so that you guys can see it without me holding it. But you have the long crossbody slash backpack strap here in the inside. But look how pretty this blue is with the natural color. Like, come on, it's gorgeous. This is so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh. Lily Jade, like, hit it out of the park here on this one. Oh, it's so soft. Okay. Give you guys one last look and then I'm gonna pack it up and get ready for my packing video to show you all. So that is the front again, and a good look on the back. So you can see that silver zipper there. So, so pretty. The zipper pull, of course, is like the leather blue there. So yeah, there you have it. I am so excited for this release. This color is beautiful. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below because I am going to be sharing more details on this one coming up. So there you have it. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you very soon with more on this gorgeous indigo Old English.